So the body mind is that which is experiencing the sukha and dukkha in this world. The witness consciousness forgets itself. It forgets that I am the witness and it becomes one with the body mind and says, oh, I am experiencing the sukha and dukkha of the world. It is only a misconception of the witness. The moment the witness wakes up from this, recognize, no, I am separate. The body mind is separate. The body is going through its disease, its old age, its dukkha. But see, I, the witness, am untouched. I don't feel old. That's why if somebody says, Sumant, you're looking so old, man. Does Sumant feel old? You never feel old. Why? Because that's the moment you take this step to the witness and recognize the distance between the witness and the body mind. You get it? Many times it happens in the day naturally to you, Sumant. It happens to each one of us. Many, many times we take this step beyond and recognize, no, I am not this body mind. And again we get consumed. Yeah. So when it gets consumed, it's called the experiencer. When it stands apart, it is called the witness.
And that battle will go on all the time.
It'll go on. That is not the problem. The battle is not the problem. What is the problem? The wrong assumption I am the body mind is the problem. Yeah. So I choose, voluntarily, willingly choose to be the witness all the time, 24/7. Then whatever happens to the body mind is happening because of the rhythm of life. I cannot control the rhythm of life. I stand apart as the witness.
So the moment you get mixed up with the body-mind complex, you become the kind of confused experiencer.
Then I am the doer also, not just experiencer. I am doing this. See, if I didn't do this, then how would this happen? All a bluff. It's a bluff. Yeah, but you have to experientially see it. That's why I'm insisting that you do that self-exploration. I'll ask the volunteers, please could you send the YouTube link to everybody. Yeah. So everybody please do that. They'll send you the link to that self-exploration. Yeah. So please do this, because only when you experientially see, oh, I am not the body and mind. I am just the knower of what is happening at the body-mind level. When you experientially recognize, then all this opens up. It blossoms. It becomes another reality of yours rather than just an intellectual understanding.